So Trae AI is also following this new trend of CLI agents, and they have recently released their CLI agent, which is called Trae Agent, which runs directly inside your terminal. Well, personally, so far, I don't like CLI agents. I like the traditional IDEs more. I've been using VS Code for last like 12 years now. So the transition from traditional IDEs to like AI coding agents, something like Cursor and Windsurf, was very smooth and natural for me, because these AI coding agents are literally the forks of VS Code. But these new CLI agents are also good enough. In fact, ClaudeCode is like really impressive. So Trae AI has followed that same trend and just released their Trae AI agent. And in this video, you're going to learn that how to install Trae AI agent on your computer and then how to start using it. We'll be using the free API key from OpenRouter, so you can start using this AI agent absolutely. So before you start this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on that like button as well. And if you're still not following me on X, please just go ahead and follow me on X. Alright, so to start using Trae AI agent, just go to this GitHub repository, which is github.com/bytedance/Trae-agent. I'll provide that link in description, so you can just go ahead and start using this AI agent from here. This is of course fully open source, just like Gemini CLI and ClaudeCode. So to install it on your computer, what you can do, you can simply just like copy this URL from here, then open any empty folder. So I have this empty folder. I'll simply just open my terminal inside this folder. After that, I'll just run this command, which is git clone, and then enter this URL. And now it has cloned this repository in here. And now I'll just open this. And now after that, I need to install dependencies. So I'll just go back to this documentation from here. And in here you can see for installation it recommends you using UV. So you can just like first install UV on your computer. So just make sure that you run this command inside your PowerShell. So just go to your search bar and then open Windows PowerShell and then just run this command in here. So install UV on your computer. That's the first step that you need to do. Once you do that, after that, just open your repository, and inside your repository just go to open terminal, and from here just run this command, which is uv sync. Just run this command, press enter, and now what it will do, it will just install all of the required dependencies inside your Trae AI agent repository. Now the next step is setting up API keys. So you can actually use OpenAI API keys. You can use something like Anthropic as well. Then there are some other providers as well, but we are going to use OpenRouter API key. So you can just like go ahead to OpenRouter, sign up on OpenRouter using your simple Google account, and then after that you can simply just go to this keys section in here. So this is the keys section, and in here you can just simply just click on this create API key, and after that just give it a name and then create an API key. Once you'll create an API key, this is how your API key will look like. After that you can simply just copy it from here, and now you can just use it inside your Trae project. But as they have recommended here, you can actually configure Trae AI agent using config file. So inside your Trae AI repository, if you just like open this inside VS Code, you can find this config file, which is trae_config.json file. So inside this file, you can actually set up any sort of like API keys. You can set up your ClaudeCode. In fact, you can set up Olam as well. You can set up Azure API keys as well. You can set up like OpenAI API keys, Anthropic API keys, everything. So from here, you can just like paste this OpenRouter API key. After that, you can just choose your model ID. You can find this model ID inside OpenRouter. So if you just like go back to OpenRouter and just like search for any sort of like model, let's suppose something like DeepSeek. So just search for DeepSeek, and in here you can find the free version of DeepSeek. So there is this DeepSeek R1. This is a free version of DeepSeek. So you can just open this, and then in here you can find the model ID, which is this one, DeepSeek/DeepSeek R1, and this particular one. So it will cost you $0. Of course you'll be like rate limited, but it will cost you $0 to use it. So you can just like come back and then paste this inside in here. And that's it. Now everything is set up, and now you can actually start using it. Now to ask Trae AI to perform any sort of like task, so what you can do, you can simply just run this command, which is Trae-CLI, and then maybe let's just open interactive. So just run this command, and now Trae CLI agent has been opened in here. And now you can just like give it any sort of task. All of these commands are provided here. You can just like use this command, which is Trae CLI run. After that, you can just like provide your prompt inside in here and just run this command, and Trae CLI will actually perform that task. So this is how you can set up Trae CLI and start using it for free. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in comment section. If you want me to create a comparison video between Trae CLI and ClaudeCode and Gemini CLI, so just to let me know in comment section as well. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.